Welcome back, everybody, to Day Trading Tickers. Today we're going to go over Friday's probably best play, which is Amazon. If you were patient enough to really capitalize on Amazon, you would have made a pretty decent return, especially since Friday, same day expirations. All you had to do was just really be patient and wait for the play to come to you. So I kind of want to go over on how you can find these type of opportunities as long as you stay patient. So let's zoom here. I'm on the 5-minute chart right now. So every morning what I do is I post my, I set up my pre-market highs and my lows, right? So let's go over the 1-minute chart here. And the first thing that happened when market opened is it started dropping, and usually when it's the candles is at the bottom of the VWAP, because it has tendency to bounce off that level. I normally don't even take a short position just because the risk to reward ratio may not be ideal. So there's a couple of approaches that you could have taken this. So if you were looking at Amazon in the morning, in the first 2 minutes it went down, but then it started to recover. What you could do is you can get in at the break of the day high, and then you just keep in mind of that pre-market resistance. So if it failed that, you would get out. Or if you got in at the pre-market high, which broke right here, then you would have your pretty much your exit strategy to break below either the EMAs or the VWAP, because it was at that level. So the first minute went up, then a big red candle, but as you can see, the volume bars had stronger volume when it was buying to the upside. This pullback right here, you can see this is a lot. The volume was a lot smaller compared to the buying. So you hold against this pullback, and then you kind of just you're grinding it up, and you're holding the EMA as your exit strategy. Or if you want to hold a little longer, you can use the 21 EMA as your exit strategy. As you can see, the buying pressure was increasing according to this TTM squeeze, so you can hold. But let's just say you missed this opportunity, and I'm going to tell you the best opportunity that was here. So normally I usually have my setup here like this. I can see different time frames. So on the 5-minute chart, this had a beautiful triangle, and the reason why I like having different time frames, because as you can see on the 1-minute chart, this triangle is like kind of like extended, elongated, but on the 5-minute chart it is just a cleaner look. And I kind of set my levels up right there, and then obviously these lines populate to this chart, and then I can see. So here's what I kind of want to show you: the best strategies and really the highest probability trades that you can take. So obviously you want to get in at the break of the triangle, which is either to the upside or to the downside. If it breaks down to the downside, you want to get puts. If it breaks up to the upside, you want to get calls. So let's look at the 1-minute chart. So you're seeing it bounce, but in this level, it's holding above the VWAP pretty strong, and you're seeing the breakout potential happening. So the first indicator is a good sign to the upside is you want to see the stochastic slow, the lines cross. You want to see this the pink right here, the lighter. This is purple, pink. So you want to see the pink pointing up, crossing this purple line. So that's the first indicator. So once you see that, you want to make sure that the TTM squeeze is yellow turning blue, or already light blue. If you don't know what the TTM squeeze, essentially, I'll probably go more in depth with it on a different video, but the red is strong selling pressure, the yellow is weak or weaker selling pressure, The light blue is strong buying pressure and the dark blue is weaker buying pressure. So as you can see, the sell off was slowing down. The stochastic slow, it crossed over, and the first big sign was this green volume bar. So it didn't break out of this triangle just yet, but it crossed over. There was a big green volume bar, and then once it broke out, as you can see, once it broke out, man, look at this rally. And then if you were using the 5-minute chart as your strategy, you can use the 5-minute chart as your indicator. And wow, what a phenomenal run up. This was a 100-300% move in options, because it was same day expiration. And I mean, if you had the discipline and the drive to really capitalize this move, man, this was a beautiful, it hit every single textbook play opportunity for you here. And as you can see, I did have my weekly resistance. If you don't know why this is different colors, I have it on a different video when I talk about how to draw your trend lines. But when it broke that, man, it broke above it, kind of pulled back, but then held above that level. So the old resistance became a new support. It bounced up and it just continued to ride. So if you're using, again, the 5-minute chart, you could have used a 21 EMA as pretty much your rally. And wow, what a beautiful play. So that was Amazon. I believe that was just pretty much the best opportunity that Friday was that Friday gave. But that's really all you have to do. And I think and I have this mistake too, where you kind of want to force trades, you want to get in early in the morning, but if you just wait for the best opportunities, the opportunities will come to you and you can really take advantage of it. But that's really it. I hope that this is beneficial for you, and this kind of really key factors on scalping and day trading, the information that I gave you right there. And really take advantage of it, practice it, and let me know what this strategy and how it works for you. I have very high probability wins using all this strategy, especially when all of this just worked together so beautifully as it did with Amazon. But let me know, leave a like to the video, comment down below, let me know what you think. Don't forget to follow my Instagram at Day Trading Tickers. And let me know how you think, and give me some ideas what videos you guys would like to see after. Take care.